Hi guys, in this video we will see how to show Bluetooth icon on your Windows 11 and 10 taskbar. If Bluetooth icon not showing on your Windows 11 and 10 taskbar, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of setting option, open Bluetooth and devices. Thereafter go to right side and choose view more devices. Here scroll down and under related settings you will find the option more Bluetooth settings. Click on it. A new window will open. Here, make sure that you have duly checked the option show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Sometimes it will automatically unchecked. So you must check this page Bluetooth settings and make the check against option show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. If we want to hide Bluetooth from notification area, then disable uncheck this feature. Otherwise, make the check against show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Bluetooth icon will successfully visible on your Windows 11 and 10 task.